I'm John Cohen, and this is My Tech. I recently came across this product at CES. I didn't even know I needed this product. I didn't even know it existed. And once I saw it, I said, oh my God, I need this. This is the Keybuds Air Care 2.0. Let's have a look. I was really surprised by this product because I see it fixing a problem that I have and that everyone in the world who has one of these has. How the heck do you clean your AirPods? Whether it be the AirPods, AirPods Pro, or even something else. Well, because let's be honest here, our headphones are super disgusting and super dirty inside. Whether it be inside the case or inside the actual grill here, it gets dirty. There's 5 steps that the Keybuds use to go ahead and clean it. And before we look at those 5 steps, let's look at what comes inside the package. First thing you'll note is that the Keybuds wand here is actually designed to look a lot like Apple Pencil. It's got a very similar design style and a look and feel that is very familiar to Apple users. When it comes to installing one of these accessories, it's just a matter of selecting the one you want to use and putting it into the top here. And it just locks into place. And now you're ready to go ahead and open up your AirPods or whatever headphones you have and start the cleaning process. And right away you can see that a lot of debris is coming out of mine. Once you're done the first step of clean, then the next step is to use the brush, and you can go ahead and brush the AirPods. From there you can use the lift, which basically takes out any debris that's inside the grill, lifts it right away. From there you can go ahead and remove, which is going to remove any debris from inside the charging port. And then the last part is to maintain, which basically is the one that I really like, and that lets you clean the inside of the AirPods case or your other cases. When it comes to actually maintaining the inside of your AirPods case, it's very easy. You're going to go ahead and open your AirPods. You'll go ahead and pull off the back side here to find this long, deep brush, and it's just a matter of sticking it in there, giving it a little twist, pulling it out. Same thing for the other side, and hopefully that clears out all the debris from your AirPods. You know, now with this kit, it really makes a lot of sense. It's easy to clean, and you can keep your device feeling really hygienic and neat. At this point, you might be saying to yourself the same thing I said. I can't believe this product existed and I didn't know about it. And if you are one of those people who have headphones or a phone that needs to be cleaned, or you're not cleaning it properly up to now, this is a great solution that's super easy to use and doesn't take very much time. And the best part is that you could see and probably hear the results of using this product. I will put a full description below, and you can see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.